In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2018, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned the types of people he dislikes and will therefore be furthest from him on Judgment Day. The first type is the one who talks excessively. This is disliked, as the one who talks excessively is much more likely to utter vain and useless words which may not be sinful but often lead to sins. In addition, vain speech only wastes time, which will be a great regret for the speaker on Judgment Day. And the one who excessively talks is more likely to commit physical sins. A Muslim should remember that it only takes a single evil word to cause them to plunge into hell on Judgment Day, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2314. The one who talks excessively will also find that they fall into more arguments, debates and problems with others. All of these things often lead to other sins, such as severing ties with other people. The one who talks excessively often fails to think things through appropriately, and as a result they will make rash and incorrect judgments. This will only lead to stress in both worlds for them. The next type of person mentioned in the main narration under discussion is the loud-mouthed who speaks excessively and artificially in order to boast and show off through their speech. This person desires to show others how much knowledge they possess, thereby attracting attention to themselves. This person will often intend to please people through their actions instead of Allah, the Exalted. This will result in them losing reward for their righteous actions. In fact, they will be told on Judgment Day to gain their reward from those who they acted for. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. The final person mentioned in the main narration is the proud person. This is an evil and foolish mentality, as an atom's worth of pride will lead one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. How can one be proud of anything they possess, when the creator and real owner is none other than Allah, the Exalted? This is as foolish as the one who boasts about someone else's property and possession. Pride only encourages one to reject the truth when it comes from others, and causes one to look down at others. The truth must be accepted, irrespective of who it comes from, as the source of truth is none other than Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, rejecting the truth is like rejecting the word of Allah, the Exalted. Looking down at others is foolish, as no one knows the real value and status of a person in this world or the next except Allah, the Exalted. The one who thinks they are pious may well be insignificant in the eyes of Allah, the Exalted, and they may well die without their belief, as no one is guaranteed to leave this world with their faith. Remembering this should prevent one from adopting pride. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.